Hello beauties, welcome back to Beauty Bible for another self-discovery chapter. Do you want to look delicate and innocent with Bambi-like eyes, or intoxicating and magnetic like a femme fatale? In today's video, we will start by explaining what are doe eyes and siren eyes makeup, which style of makeup suits you better, the equipments needed, followed by a step-by-step tutorial guide for each makeup, and finally, we will provide some non-sponsored product recommendation at the end of this video. Our eyes are the windows to our souls. How we do our eye makeup can change other people's perception of us. For doe eyes, the word doe originates from female deer. It is used to describe a person with large, gentle, dark eyes. A doe-eyed girl often has big soft eyes to enhance her cuteness, Bambi-like long lashes, and medium to deep brown eyes. This makes her seem sweet, innocent, and vulnerable to the other person, making them want to protect her, even though she may not be as naive as she looks. As is often told that the fierce predator will always portray herself as the harmless prey. If doe eyes belong to the soft angels, then siren eyes are the devil of the night. In Greek mythology, sirens are mythical half-human creatures with alluring voices, who uses their captivating beauty and sensuality to lure sailors to their deaths. Sirens are used as seductive symbols in pop culture to describe women with a magnetic appeal. Siren eyes are elongated and sultry that evoke dark feminine energy. It gives off sharp and fierce confidence. Siren eyes makeup is best matched with the siren's gaze. If you would like a tutorial on how to do the siren gaze, feel free to subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comments below. In doe eyes makeup, we will focus on the vertical points of our eyes. Our makeup will emphasize on the points above and below our eyes to widen them. The shape of this makeup is rounded or an inverted triangle. These will be useful to remember when you are doing your eyeshadow. We will use makeup to enlarge our eyes, produce a droopy outer edge, and make our eyes more rounded to accentuate innocence. This look is best matched with the pure lusty style. Let us know if you would like to know how to achieve this look. For siren eyes, the direction of our makeup is horizontal. Our makeup will focus on the inner and outer corners of our eyes to lengthen and elongate them in a parallelogram shape. This can elongate our eyes to achieve an eye lift effect for a sharp look in an S-shaped curve. Keeping the edges of our makeup clean and sharp will also be a key point. Keeping these few points in mind, we will use makeup to alter the anatomy of our eyes in different ways to achieve the two looks. To know which one suits you better, you can consider your eye shape, face shape, and feminine archetype. Doe eyes are tailor-made for those with doll-like round eyes or puppy dog downturned eyes. Even more so if you have outer double-eyed folds. Although round face shapes are adorable, doe eyes makeup can help shorten a long face shape visually to proportionate your facial features better. This makeup aligns with your soft, girlish aura really well as a maiden or gamin feminine archetype. If you're interested, feel free to check out our video on feminine archetypes and how to use it to seduce others using your unique energy. If you have almond eye shape, your eyes are effortlessly alluring. And upturned eyes give you a natural foxy look that complements the siren eyes makeup flawlessly. It is also suitable for those with inner double or mono eyelids. Having heart, round, or awful face shape puts the spotlight on your gorgeous eyes. If your feminine archetype is the lover, the siren herself especially, coquette, or ingenuine, this makeup look can play to your hypnotic aura to be a villain of the night. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter if you have different features than the one mentioned. If you like the style, wear it, own it, and have fun with it. For eye makeup look, you will need concealer pen, Q-tips, setting spray, both gel and liquid eyeliner, neutral eyeshadow, and an eyeshadow brush, as well as a flat brush, lash glue, falsies, sharp tweezers, mascara, and lash curler. For doe eyes makeup, opt for falsies that are longer in the center and shorter at two ends. For siren eyes makeup, go for falsies that increase in length continuously. Lower lashes can suit both looks. Eyelid tape, contact lenses with an applicator are recommended to achieve a complete look. If you are interested, some non-sponsored products recommendation can be found at the end of this video. If you want to know which shade or colors best to use for the makeup, please refer back to our seasonal colors video to find your most suitable palettes. First, wash your hands with soap and dry them. Place the lens on the applicator. Use your middle finger and thumb to widen your eyes and place the lens in the center of your eyeball. You can also press on your lower eyelid, place the lens from the bottom and flip it up. Take out an eyelid tape using a tweezer or your hands. Place the front of the tape slightly above your natural eye fold. Drag the tape parallel to your eyes and the end of the tape downwards. Insert the eyelid tape if you have puffy eyelids. Start from the end of the tape, drag it parallelly, and stick the front of the tape downwards to create a stronger fold. Use your eyeshadow brush to take a light neutral color from your palette. Start close to your eye and blend the color upwards in a circular shape and on the outer lower eyelids. Then, take a medium neutral shade. Again, follow closely to your eye and blend it upwards. Make sure it's well blended to soften the edge. Dab some color onto your outer lower eyelids as well. Blend to soften the colors. Keep in mind that you should apply all eyeshadows in a circular shape around the eyes. The highest point of the eye color should be directly above the center of your eye, and the lowest point directly below the center of your eye. Keep all edges rounded and soft. Take a dark neutral shade, apply it along the curve of your inner upper eyelid and your outer lower eyelid. Then take a flat brush, spray it with some setting spray, wipe the excess on a towel paper. Using the same color, draw a small wing. Instead of going upwards in normal wings, keep it downwards. You can also use a liquid eyeliner if it's easier. Using the same flat brush and shade, start from the center of the lower eyelid. Draw a rounded curve softly. Use a clean brush to lighten and soften the curve. The length of this curve from your eye center should be half of your eye's total length, and the curve should be rounded. Use a lighter shade concealer pen. Start from the center of your lower eyelid, then to the front and to the back below your outer eye corner in an upward direction. Connect the 3 points together. Blend it out. Conceal under the eye dark circles if needed. Curl your lashes and apply mascara from the root to keep it curved. Use falsies that are longer in the center and shorter on two ends. You can adjust the falsies to the length of your eyes. Apply glue onto the falsies. Avoid excess glue and let them dry for 30 seconds before applying onto your upper lash line. Adjust and clamp the falsies with tweezers so they stick to your real lashes. If you are using individual lashes, use sharp tweezers to take out the lash. Apply minimal glue and stick them below your real lashes on your lash line. Apply glitter onto your upper eyelid and lower eyelid as highlight. Cut the eyelid tape into half. We will alter our eye shape by placing it on the second half of our upper eyelid. It should be above your natural eye fold in a slanted direction to give a foxy look. We will start with using a neutral shade from our eyeshadow palette. Apply on our upper eyelids, especially closer to our eyes. Drag it towards the outer edge. And apply on our lower outer eye as well. The eyeshadow can be applied heavier on the inner corner and outer edge of our eyes in this shape, in an outer and upwards direction to give the eye lift effect, as well as the outer edge of our bottom eyelid again towards our eyebrows. Then, using a dark neutral shade, apply it to the outer edge of our eyes. Blend it downwards close to our lash line and upwards. Blend some colors closely along our lower lash line. Repeat to build up more colors. Blend it out towards the inner eye to make it look more natural. Darken our inner eye corner as well. And darken the outer lower lash line. Use an eyeliner to draw an acute angle on the inner eye corner. Sharpen the angle with a flat brush. Draw a sharp wing and fill in the gap. Clean it up with a Q-tip. Draw a flat curve and blend it out. We can keep these key points in mind to achieve the perfect siren wing. Our wing should be drawn in this direction and shape, where the inner corner curves downwards in a sharp acute angle. We can use 3 points to mark up our wing. Point A on the outer edge of your iris, point B close to your eyebrows, and point C at the outer eye corner. Link these 3 points together. Remember to avoid your natural eyelid fold. Finally, connect and fill in your lash line. For the bottom lash line, start from the bottom at the center of our eyes. The length should not exceed the outer corner of our eyes. It should be parallel and closer to the waterline to give an elongating effect. Spray the flat brush with setting spray. Wipe any excess on a paper towel. Use the same dark brown shade as the previous step to draw an eyeglass eye. Blend it out with a Q-tip to make it look more natural. Highlight the eyeglass eye using a concealer pen. The key point is that the eyeglass eye should be thicker towards the inner side and thinner towards the outer edge. Highlight should be put only near the inner lower eyelid. Clamp your lashes with a lash curler and apply mascara. Focus on lengthening the outer lashes. Use a black eyeliner to draw a curved line, apply glue in a line, place your falsies along the glue line, and fill in the gap. Using a sharp eyeliner, draw some lower lashes. Add glitter on the inner eye corner. This can capture more attention to your eyes and elongate your eyes as well. Using mascara and eyeliner can get messy, so we have done extensive research on finding non-sponsored products that can help us achieve the look easily. For eyeliners, the Judy Doll eyeliners have extra fine pen tip that's easy to use for beginners to draw lower lashes. We especially recommend You Kiss in the shade 06 for those with paler skin to create a teary look for doe eyes makeup. Holly Pop Liner by Holika Holika is well known for drawing eyeglass eye and to deepen your eyelid folds. Here's a video showing the difference between using regular eyeliners and fine tip liners for lower lashes. The stroke will end up looking too thick and unnatural with regular eyeliners, so it's important to choose a liner with slimmer tip to create fine hair-like strokes. For double eyelid tape, if you want an everyday look, Bare Skin by Beauty World is easy to use and not tiring for your eyes at all, while Wonder Tape by D-Up is double-sided, so it is invisible even at close-up, but it may get tiring for your eyes after a long time of wear. For doe eyes makeup, we recommend using Glowy Eyeliner by Olens in brown shade for a natural but eye-catching effect, and Cackle Waffle by Flemmy for enlarging the irises to enhance cuteness. Here's a video for comparison between wearing lenses and without. Thank you for letting us join you on your journey of seeking beauty, whether you are as innocent and sweet as a doe or a mysterious, seductive siren. Have fun with it and own your style. Until we meet again next time!